What is your take on live-in relationship? I don't know how many daughters you have, Mr. Joskavi. Now with something original. What is this? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am with my father, Mr. Joskavi. So you might hear a lot of noises. Please bear with us. In the Uchikina, ask me some questions that you would want Mr. Joskavi to answer, and I have some interesting questions with me. Even life experience, you would be able to answer a few questions. First question. My boyfriend wants to marry me, but I don't like their family as they are conservative. Don't care about the family.
No.
Okay.
You can't change the family, they are related. So, but you start your family.
Okay, you can't change his family. So the best thing is you start your family. And whoever this boyfriend's parents are, I am sorry if they do something like that. Okay, second question. You would have been okay if
Sure. And I will thrill.
Papa, wait till the
Disappointed.
How to overcome fears in life as you have a lot more life experience?
How to overcome fear? What is fear?
Papa, philosophy.
Different kinds of fear.
Okay.
So depends on what kind of fear you have. You have to tackle.
Okay, I am scared.
Like you had fear of water. Yeah.
I still do.
You still, but you can overcome that slowly, getting yourself into the water and realizing that there is nothing to fear.
Only death.
Only. Maximum what happens, you will drown.
Yeah. And die.
Yes. But your fear will be gone.
Will be gone. And anyway, you have to die.
Yeah.
One day you have to die.
You have to die.
Yeah.
Face the fear.
Yeah.
Keeping away from fear is no answer, no solution. Face it.
Face it. കോഴിയാണോ മൊട്ടയാണോ ആദ്യം ഉണ്ടായത്? അത് കോഴിനോട് ചോദിക്കണം. പപ്പ യു ഹാവ് ടു ബി ലൗഡ് പപ്പ.
അത് കോഴിയോട് ചോദിക്കണം.
പപ്പ ഒരു കോഴിയല്ല. ചിലര് പറയുമെങ്കിലും. Did you support Archana initially when she decided to become an actress?
Yeah, no, I don't think so, because I was not sure how you would fare there, because that is not an area our family has any connection. Nobody in the family, not even remotely connected with the world. So I had my own doubts and anxieties.
You didn't support?
Support in the sense I had worries, that's it. So I was a bit anxious. Okay. So I wanted to wait and see.
Okay. Whether she'll fail.
No.
ഭൂമിയുടെ സ്പന്ദനം കണക്കാണോ?
Chako Master
ഭൂഗോളത്തിന്റെ ഓരോ സ്പന്ദനവും കണക്കിലാണ്. വിത്തൗട്ട് മാത്തമാറ്റിക്സ് ഭൂമി വെറും ഒരു വട്ടപൂജ്യം.
ഭൂമിയുടെ സ്പന്ദനം കണക്കിലാണോ?
അതൊരു കണക്കാണ്, പക്ഷെ അത് ശരിയായ കണക്കല്ല.
എനിക്ക് തോന്നുന്നു കണക്കിലല്ല. ഞാൻ കണക്കിൽ തോറ്റയാണ്. എനിക്കില്ല, സ്പന്ദനമില്ല എന്റെ ലൈഫിൽ. ഹലോ അങ്കിൾ, വാട്ട് ഈസ് ദാറ്റ് വൺ തിങ് യു വാണ്ട് ടു ഡു in life?
Just one thing.
Yeah.
Many things.
Like pick just one.
Become Prime Minister.
Become Prime Minister of India. Okay. One thing you want to go, a place you want to visit. Moon. You want to have.
Maybe some 500 crores.
500 crores. Yeah.
Manage with that.
You can manage with that. Okay, fine. Cool. Okay. Difference between lungi and mundu.
Mundu is the white cloth, I think, which we wear. Lungi is a casual with colored. That's what I am understanding.
Okay. ലുങ്കി നമുക്ക് പറിച്ച് തലയിലൊക്കെ കെട്ടാം, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ
മുണ്ട്
അങ്ങനെ ചെയ്യില്ലേ ആൾക്കാര്?
മുണ്ട്
ആണെങ്കിൽ ലുങ്കി ആണെങ്കിൽ തലയിൽ കെട്ടാം.
പള്ളിയിൽ വരുവാണെങ്കിൽ
പള്ളിയിൽ
ലുങ്കി ഉടുക്കിയില്ല
മുണ്ടേ ഉടുക്കുള്ളൂ.
കെട്ടാൻ പറ്റും ചിലപ്പം നാട്ടുകാർ വിചാരിക്കും പക്ഷെ കള്ളുഷാപ്പിൽ വരുമ്പോൾ ഒരു പ്രശ്നം
ഒരു പ്രശ്നമില്ല. പോയി എവിടെയാണെന്ന് കേട്ടാ. Okay. Is Archana a funny daughter?
Yes, she is. Funny means it's a witty, humorous.
I don't know. I don't know. When you look at me, do you think
You like
I'm a
laughing?
joke? Yes, I'm a joke.
You are not a joke.
I'm not a joke.
You are not a joke. You are a serious person.
Hmm.
I don't think you come across as a humorous or funny person. You are more of a serious, down-to-earth, hard-working person.
Okay. I don't know if I'll put this video out on YouTube, but this particular part. Okay, what is the most stupidest thing?
Most stupidest boy.
Random editondro. Most stupid thing he did to impress his crush, girlfriend or wife.
Who, me?
Yeah.
Marry.
The most stupidest thing he did is marrying her. Wow, I wish my mom's here. How did you manage teenage Archana Kavi issues?
Teenage means you are out of house, you know.
And then my teenage issues, how did you
What
manage?
are the teenage issues?
I don't know. Did you stayed out of house and stayed away from me? That's
Yeah.
how you managed.
Yeah, that's it.
That is me helping him with the answer. So
Yeah.
you tell.
I didn't even notice you are teenage.
Crankiness, angry.
No, you didn't know. You are a nice, good daughter. Very serious, studious.
Serious. I don't know how many daughters you have, Mr. Joskavi. That
I'm talking about you.
mine. No, I don't think I was, but okay. Do you miss your journalist days?
I'm not missing. I'm still having my journalism days.
Okay. He never did reporting. He was always an editor. People used to work
I
on.
have done.
You have done
But
reporting.
not my main. I have been an editor throughout my 38 years of journalism.
38 years.
I did that.
Yeah, 38 years of journalism. He has been a reporter and editor. Okay, what do you have to say about the current journalists?
India wants to know.
I want to know.
Current journalism, like you may say, we are old-fashioned.
Yes.
We don't agree with any of the things that is happening now.
Okay. Hey, hello, I am not a journalist. Why
No,
did
no,
you
no, I'm
not-
talking about journalism. What we see now as journalism is not journalism at all.
Okay.
It is PR work. Around 80% of people who walk around as journalists have sold their souls. So I feel pity for them.
Okay, stop right there.
I'm very
No!
emotional.
If there is one thing you could change about yourself, what would it be?
I don't think I have to change anything. I'm perfectly happy with what I am.
Do you want to change that attitude?
That's it.
That
That's good.
attitude? Yeah, I think so too. There's nothing.
But I don't mind having a little more height about
Height?
Amitabh Bachchan.
Little more height about Amitabh Bachchan.
Around it. I mean,
Yeah.
you don't have to inches more.
Okay, that's it. Okay. Are you a better father, son, or a husband?
None.
None of the above. Better. I'm not saying better, like, oh, awesome. Idile
I am not a good father. I am not a good wife, husband.
Wife, husband.
Husband.
Father, son. Son?
Son. Okay. And I was never in my house, so I don't know how much I would have.
That's why you were a better son?
Yeah.
He was never with his.
I got out of the house when I was 16, so.
Which is your favorite song?
ഈ മഴയും ഒരു മഴയും അയാൾ പാട്ടിട്ടുണ്ട്.
You don't remember your favorite song.
There are so many things.
Say one more.
This is ഈ മഴയും തോരാറില്ല ഈ കാറ്റും ശ്രമിക്കാറില്ല എനിക്ക് പാടാൻ പറ്റില്ല.
പപ്പായൊക്കെ എപ്പോഴുള്ള പ്രശ്നം നമ്മൾ ആരും പപ്പയോട് പാടാൻ പറയില്ല എന്നാണ്. ഇപ്പൊ ഞാൻ openly I'm asking you to sing.
No.
Papa, please sing.
I can't sing.
Papa, sing
I
more.
can't.
Hey,
Then
sing.
Phoebe will
It's
shout.
okay. പാട്. ഏതെങ്കിലും പാട്ടും അപ്പൊ എത്ര പാട്ടാണ് ഞങ്ങളെ പഠിപ്പിച്ചിട്ടിരിക്കുന്നത്?
എനിക്ക് പക്ഷേ എനിക്ക് ഭയങ്കര പാട്ട് പാടുന്നത് എനിക്ക് ഭയങ്കര ബുദ്ധിമുട്ടായിരുന്നു. നോ അർത്ഥന പ്ലീസ്.
What is your take on live-in relationship? What expression?
Living relationship.
Live-in relationship.
It's a good idea.
അതെന്താ പറയാൻ പറ്റുമോ? ബുദ്ധിമുട്ടി.
It's not socially accepted, you know. And this maybe if 10 years. My generation people have problem accepting that. If two individuals, adults, can live together, then good. I have no objection.
Oh, okay. Next question, okay? You have been a tech guy.
What's that?
Tech guy. Oh boy.
I was never like that.
You were always a tech guy. He's on Snapchat, he's on Instagram,
Only social media.
social media, and he used to use all the latest gadgets at some point of time in his life. Now not anymore, but you had that time, and you're social media savvy. My question is social media related alla. My MacBook Air is 2.3 pounds heavy. Okay, if I download more content, will it weigh more?
Right question.
What is it? What would you like to say?
Naturally, logically, it should weigh more, but actually it won't.
You don't. Okay. What's the difference between stalkers and an admirer?
A stalker is a negative form of admirer. A
So how
stalker
can-
is an admirer,
yeah.
but not the right type.
So how
It's a
can you
bit-
admire?
How can I admire?
How can a person admire? If a teenager wants to admire a person,
You have to respect the other person, respect the personality as an individual. Then do things only what, if you love and respect the other person, don't do anything that disturbs or hurts the other person.
okay.
Don't go around with your bottle of acid.
Okay, guys. So that was the questions you sent, and he has answered all of them. Good job.
Very fast, huh?
Very fast. Very good job. Huh?
Thank you
Okay.
very much.
Before leaving, is there an advice you would like to give to the viewers who are going to watch this? Yeah, because those who can preach don't do.
I can do good to others. What you want others to do to you. That's all.
Hey, that Jesus Christ said, come with something original. What is this nonsense?
ശരിയായോ?
ശരിയായി തോന്നുന്നു.